Hey Toy Addicts, this is Jody, and this is Strolling Bowling. Strolling Bowling was made by TOMY in the early 80s. I think it says it on the box when it was. But I had a cousin who had this. And the thing is, he was notorious for not ever sharing his toys. We'd go to his house and try and play it. No, don't touch my toys. Sneak in his room when he was outside playing with my brother. And he'd come in. What are you doing? Don't touch my toys. And so I always wanted this. Maybe just because I couldn't play with it. It's also a pretty fun little set. So basically it's a bowling lane. Whole self-contained game too, which is kind of awesome. You set it up like this, and then you flick the pins up with this little thing here. You wind up your bowling ball. Oh, gutter ball. Okay, try again. Ah, am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? Strike! Pretty simple game. 30 years from now, you could find this again, and it would still be working. It would still be good. It would still be fun. That's a good time, the strolling bowling. Have you ever played this game? Or did you have one of those cousins who just would never let you touch their stuff? It always drove me crazy. Like, I don't care about your He-Man toys. I want to play with your strolling bowling. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Check me out on eBay, Etsy, Instagram. Of course, my website, toy-addict.com. And make sure and like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me about your crazy cousin. Or your fun strolling bowling game. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.